Hey guys, how's it going? This is gonna be a trade recap for today. So coming into the market, my bias was actually bearish. We had these relative equal lows right here. They're not perfectly equal lows, but they're pretty close. Plus, we were in a daily fair value gap, so I was expecting a move lower before going higher first. And on top of that, even if we were bullish, I think that we were much closer to sweeping these lows than to going up. But whatever. In on the 15-minute, we had this huge fair value gap. I think it's also on the 1 hour. Let me go check. Okay, no. 30-minute maybe. Okay, whatever. Let's just keep it at the 15-minute. So I think that the trade of the day would have been, okay, let me just get rid of this, would have been this right here. So market open was right here. We just swept this high. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we swept the high, and we were also in a fair value gap, so that was, sorry, I kind of lagged. So that was a turtle soup, plus we had a inverse fair value gap. We created an order block right there. I would have entered right after we inversed the fair value, gap right there. My stop would have been at the high, and my TP1 would have been right here, TP2, and then going all the way down. This would have been my final take profit. So also you could have entered, if you like to have more confluence, you could have waited until we go back into the order block and then we close below it, and your stop could have been at the high right there or at the top of the inverse. That's if you want more confluence. Also, the order block is just a change in the state. I think it's the same thing, but whatever. Why did I not take the trade? It's actually a stupid reason. I was in class and I couldn't use my phone, and I didn't have my Chromebook with me because my teacher wouldn't let me. So I missed the trade. And usually when I miss trades like this for a reason that's not really my fault, I just get frustrated and I feel like giving up. I don't want to trade anymore for that day. I feel like the trade of the day, I already missed it, and I just completely ignore the charts. I don't want to look at it, and if I do look at it, I don't really dive deep into it. I'm like, we already did that, like it won't happen again. I missed a trade for the day. But today I was actually like, okay, let me just wait until we sweep these equal lows, because that's what I knew was the draw on liquidity. So after that, I will be willing to take longs. Okay, now I gotta go all the way back. So what did we do? We swept these lows, and then we had a market structure shift right there. Plus, on the 5-minute, okay, I hate it when it does that. Okay, on the 5-minute, we had this inverse right there. So after we inversed the fair value gap, I entered with 3 contracts. My stop was below, well, it was at the end of the inverse, and I was targeting these highs that we created. So my TP1 was right there, my TP1 plus my break even point. I'm not gonna put in both of these, but you get it. My second TP was right there, and my final TP was right here. Obviously we did not hit my second and my final TP, but we did hit the first one. Sorry, we hit the first one, and under 1 minute okay, after my first TP was hit, I put my stop loss to break even right there. So I wish I would have recorded it, but I couldn't because it was on the school computer and I can't bring my own computer at school, but whatever. I took one contract off, and while we were right here, I was like, okay, I don't want us to go lower. If we do go lower, then we might get stopped out. So, well, at break even. So I trailed my stop to here. So, okay, whatever. I don't have a stop loss sign, but yeah, I trailed my stop to there. So took out 2 contracts, and I was up 120 on the day. Would I have wanted to risk more? I'm not sure. I came in with 3 contracts. It's actually the first time that I risked 3 contracts on my Top Step account. I usually risk like 1 or 2 because I'm kind of scared of losing, but this time I was like, okay, let me just try to get rid of that fear bit by bit, and I came in with 3 contracts instead of 2. So next time I take a trade, I might go in with 4 depending on the price action and my confluences. But yeah, I'm trying to risk more, and yeah, it's a small win today. My account balance is now $75 away from being at break even, because if we go look at my Notion, okay, on demo on Top Step, if we go look at my Notion, I didn't change this, I don't change it anymore, but my last loss was $208. So it just ate all of my previous wins. And yeah, today I journaled what I did. Yeah, so that's all for today. If you don't journal your trades yet, please do. It's gonna help you so much. Every single day when I'm not sure of what I did the last week or the last month, I just go over this and I just read everything. But yeah, that's all for today. I know a lot of you guys took this setup right here. Honestly, I would have been so happy to take it, but I couldn't. I wasn't on the charts, and yeah, that's part of the reason why I don't like school and I want to quit. But I'm gonna finish my my last year of high school, and yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys did today, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.